Hello ladies and gentlemen, Andrew here, welcome to another video. Now Rachel and I, if you've been watching our videos, have been starting to travel more in our tag teardrop trailer. We love it. Gladys is so perfect for the types of adventures that we want to go on. However, I do work from the road. So that means I have to have a space where I can sit down, work on my laptop, and get some good marketing content created, strategies developed, all the good stuff. Now with our tag, we don't have a table inside of our camper, so I've been experimenting and trying to figure out the best way and the best setup for my mobile office. The people that make the Cooper Mega Table, they saw my YouTube channel, they're like, yo, we see that you're traveling a lot and you need to have space where you should work. We have an idea for you. And this was their idea. Check this out. Check it out, it's huge. This is the Cooper Mega Table. And it is essentially a folding lap table that you can sit underneath of, take it with you, it's portable, have your laptop chilling with you on there, and get some work done. It is the perfect idea for a mobile office setup. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna try it out, we're gonna set it up, we're gonna unbox it, and see if it is the perfect solution for traveling in our tag. Let's do it, I'm pumped. All right, we've got all the instructions here, welcoming us to our new mobile desk setup. It looks good. I feel like I can set up this desk without instructions. Oh man, this is nice. Everything is already put together. You can see the underside, so essentially the legs look like they just fold out. Oh man, this is like a professional looking desk, man. Check that out. There's even space for pencils and other types of writing utensils in here. It's a good surface area, definitely enough for my laptop, so if I'm sitting back, relaxing. And the front of it, if you can see this here, this part curves down, so it's easier on your wrists when you're using a laptop or writing. Pretty nice. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Holy smokes. This is a pretty sweet looking desk. Man, this is actually a great size because I can have my laptop. Even if I wanted to, I could move my laptop back, have my wireless keyboard right here, wireless trackpad, get some serious work done. But I think there are some other features to this desk, if I am not mistaken. Boom, that pulls out. Oh, look at that. So this, oh my gosh, there's like a little coffee mug symbol here. So you can just put your cup, and there's some other little storage spaces, which is great for some extra things that I'm gonna be using when I'm working. Especially, I have a lot of SD cards because I edit videos all the time. I just plop my SD cards right in there, and actually, you can close it right up as well, so I can just keep my stuff stored in there whenever I need it. Grab it, boom, access. The other side, this actually pops out, and it is a holder for a book or sheet music if I'm thinking about singing, which I'm not. So this is great if I'm reading, set a book right there, take some notes. I'm a super hardcore nerd, so when I do read a book, I take tons of notes. So this is the optimal setup for me. And now, let us actually test out this desk. It looks good, it's got some great features, but do I look good while working on a laptop from this Cooper Mega desk? Let us test it out. I'm not gonna lie, I think that I do look pretty sharp utilizing this desk. You can essentially use it anywhere you want. It's lightweight, so I'm just gonna be carrying it around the house if I'm working from home and need a little change of scenery. But the main use for me is going to be using it in our tag, Gladys, because when I do need to work, grab this little desk, pop it up, knock out some awesome marketing content, edit some videos, and then when I'm done, fold it back up, put it in storage, and we're off to our next adventure. Well, from the makers of the Cooper Mega Table, thank you. Thank you for sending me this desk. It's pretty legit. I'll actually put a link to it in the description of where you can get it. It's on Amazon. I think it's like 69 to 70 bucks. So pretty inexpensive, a great little tool. It feels like it's built well, it's very sturdy, and it is the perfect way for me to work in my tag. So, I mean, looks like my mobile office setup is pretty much ready to go now that I have this Cooper Mega Table. I do love it, so thank you for the makers from that for sending me this to test out. I am a fan, and this is going to now be the core, the center of my desk setup when we're on the road adventuring across the United States in our teardrop camper. Can't beat it. Again, link is in the description. If you're interested in snagging one for yourself or even just to get more information on it, you can check it out on Amazon. And fam, I will see you in another video very soon. Hopefully, I'll be on an adventure in the tag that you can see me and Rachel doing something sweet. Until then, have a good one. Peace.